How do you like my new shoe?
What's the sort of dramas you run into, mate? What happened there, mate? You lost the thong.
Yeah, fucking red band.
Oh, red band. Kiwi thongs aren't made for fucking Europe, mate. Nah.
Good to go.
They're looking for bikes there, mate.
Watch out, car.
Cars. Got to look both ways, kids, when you're crossing the road now.
Oh, he's done
Get a good one like that, let you go. There's a bit of place, I reckon, now. Teddy. Go get your jandals, mate.
I'm going to buy Crocs today.
Crocs, yeah, you don't want Crocs, mate. Nah.
I've got no choice, really.
Homewares, bro. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
What are women do? Here we go, mate. Lady, boss. There you go, that's it, mate. Oh, look here, bro. You got all sorts. This woman's alive.
Summertime.
Look at these ones, bro. In the summertime when you feel it's free.
I don't know,
They haven't got King Kong size, bro. They've got like King Kong. Where'd he go? Lost his thong, mate. I think these are women's thongs now.
That's it, eh?
What's that? What? You right, those ones there, look. Are they big enough? Sport. You gotta grab your foot so big for. We're at the back of those, like, bigger. What are you, 46, 47?
Yeah.
45's on the rack. Oh, they're Crocs.
43. 43.
45s. Yeah, these. Women's and men's or what? Is anything that room?
What are these ones here?
Yeah, 45, yeah. These ones.
Yeah, those are. Fuck it.
It's just what you get,
Yeah.
Well, black ones there, right here.
Those are good.
Really nice. Perfect, right.
Sorted.
Sorted, about sorted. All good?
Yep.
Let's go, mate. You go. There we go, so tour guide, big hound, big dog, sorted. Walking around so much, busted his shoes up. Ripped the shoe, had to go buy new ones. So we're going to go down this street. We're going to have a few beers down here, I think. I think we're going to check it out, see what they've got going on. Listen.
Hey.
See how we do it, mate. No, please.
Let's go. No, you go. How do you like my new shoe? What are those?
Good job, mate. Mission accomplished. That's the mission for today. Oh, look at that. Did you want to check in there, mate? I'll turn the camera off if we go in there. Yeah, Bob Marley lifestyle.